Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Zaki Alrepanza, NPM 2341158. I am from Management Class 23A. In this morning, I will explain about the role of accountant in decision making. This topic is very important, especially in this business world, because every decision made has impact, whether it be profit or loss. Getting to definition first, let me explain about what an accountant actually is. Accountant is a professional who works in these financial fields. Their job is not only to record income and expense, but also to process, analyze, and present financial data. It's to understandable information, but also to process. So, you could say the accountant are like number translator who translate information that is useful for the company. The importance of decision making. Next, why is the decision making important? In our company, decisions happen every day. For example, whether to add a new product or no, whether to open a new branch or not, or even whether to reduce operational costs. Now, if these decisions are made without data, it's very risky. The company could even suffer loss. Therefore, accurate information is needed, and this is where accountant come in. Next, the main role of accountant. Accountant have several important roles in decision making. First, they provide financial information. Accountant create reports such as profit or loss statement, balance sheets, and cash flow statement. From these reports, management can see the company financial condition. Second, they analyze data. Beyond just presenting numbers, accountant also analyze, for example, whether the company is making a profit or loss, which costs are expensive, which area need improvement. There, they assist with planning. Accountant help create budget so company can plan ahead with more focus. And four, they provide recommendation. Accountant can advise management on whether decision is worth making or not. Case example like, to make this clear, let's take an example. For example, a company wants to open new branch in another city without accountant. This decision might be based solely on gut feeling or guesswork. But with an accountant, everything become clear. The accountant will calculate the cost involved, estimate the potential profit, analyze the potential risk from there. Management can decide, is this new branch worth opening or is it too risky? Type of information used in this process. Accountant provide several important pieces of information. First, the income statement to see whether the company is making a profit. Second, the balance sheet to view a company asset, liability, and equity. Third, the cash flow statement to determine the flow of cash in and cash out. From these three reports, the company can see is the overall financial condition, role in control and risk in a decision to assisting with decision making. Accountant also play an important role of control. For example, preventing fraud or misconduct in monitoring the use of company, maintaining transparent and accurate financial report. This accountant also acts as the guardian of the company financial. Conclusion. In conclusion, accountant play a very important role in decision making. They provide data, analyze information, make recommendation, and help company avoid risk. With accountant, decisions are more precise, focused, and based on facts, not just estimate. That concludes my explanation. I hope it's helpful and broadens our understanding. Thank you for attention and goodbye. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.